Hi everyone and welcome to Any Tech. Today I'm going to show you some weird, interesting and cool facts about Windows 10. Windows 10 was launched on 29th of July 2015, over 5 years ago. It was Microsoft's next release following on from Windows 8, and now, 1925 days later, I'll show you some amazing things you never knew. Did you know Windows doesn't let you name files whatever you want? Try name a file con, prn, aux, nul, com1 or any of the many others and you'll see this. But why? The reasons you can't just use these names for your folders is because they're keywords reserved for certain tasks to be performed by your OS. So basically, Windows was programmed to create and store certain data in folders with these names. And by you creating your own folders with these names, you'll just confuse the operating system. I bet you never knew Microsoft used codenames, and each of its operating systems are given a different codename. No, seriously. So Windows XP was codenamed Whistler, and Windows 7 was codenamed Blackcomb, and believe it or not, those are two mountains that are next to each other. So Windows 95 was released in 1995. Windows NT was released in 1996. Windows 98 was released in 1998. And then Windows 2000 was released with no surprises on the year 2000. And 1 year later, we got Windows XP, but the next version won't be until November of 2006, with Windows Vista, and there was a new one every 3 years with Windows 7, 8 and 10. But what's that big 5-year gap between Windows XP and Windows Vista? Well, this is something you've probably never known. A new version of Windows, called Windows Longhorn, was going to be launched in between, but in the end it was cancelled and some of its features were just integrated into later versions of Windows. And the word Longhorn was actually a bar in between those two mountains.